To set up the screen lock password on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we need to go to settings. Over here we need to scroll down to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. And then over here we can tap on screen lock. Now we can choose what type of screen lock we want to use. We can choose a pattern, we can choose a pin code or a password. So in my case, I'm gonna choose a pin code. Of course, we need to remember our password, otherwise we will, if we forget it, we will lose access to our phone. So press next. And then we can enter a screen lock password that we wish to use. I'm gonna input a simple password, of course. But if you do enter a simple password, then keep in mind that it is easy to access. And once you are done, you will be asked to add a fingerprint. So of course, if you feel like it, you can add your fingerprint as well. I'm gonna actually press cancel over here. And that's all we need to do. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!